Hey there guys, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another week of videos. So those of you who requested florals last week are in luck because this week is my 10 cards 1 kit for Paper Pumpkin. I'm gonna do it a little bit differently. So this video is going up on Tuesday and this is just gonna be an unboxing. Sometimes I've been doing an unboxing and a card, but I've decided just to do an unboxing today. The next 2 days will be 5 cards each. And then on Friday, I'm gonna have a bonus video with Paper Pumpkin. So if you're unfamiliar, Paper Pumpkin is a subscription service through Stampin' Up. If you purchase between now and the 31st, if you do like a prepaid subscription, you get a celebration item with that. So it's a free stamp set, paper pad, whatever you decide. Or if you're brand new, you can also subscribe and get your first 2 months at 50% off, which makes it about $10, $11, because normally $19.99 a month. So this is a special one because this is celebrating the 5th year of Paper Pumpkin. So we got a free gift. If you're interested in trying 1 month, you can do 1 month at a time if you want to. Just make sure you are signed up by April 10th to get April's box. So I've seen a sneak peek of this. But let's open it. So when you get this, you get everything that you need to create. So you're going to get either an ink or a marker. You also get a block in your very first one. So if you're brand new to stamping, brand new to crafting, you're still going to have the ability to get going on your crafting. So I'm going to go ahead and take all this out. Isn't this box so cute? I like it. And you can store, because now they have what it is on the side. I don't ever save them because I do mine. So let's see. So we get an early espresso ink spot. So this is just early espresso ink. Get a really nice stamp set. Oh, this is Mother's Day. Make good things grow all year long. A couple of flowers, a little scroll. I don't have my glasses on. This says, what a beautiful friendship we've grown. Happy birthday, happy Mother's Day. The gift is this set of wood veneers. And I really do enjoy crafting with wood veneers. I don't do it very often. I should probably do it more. Let me open this. What's great about wood veneers is you can emboss them, you can color them, or you can leave them plain. So I think you get 2 sheets of these. Yeah. Oh, and are they stickers or are they white? Oh, it looks like they're white. They're white on one side and craft on the other. So you get 2. So if you got the May box or the March box, you got those. Now let's look at the kit. So the kit always comes with an instruction sheet. I never do these kits the way they're intended. No one can tell me what to do. I like to do them. I like to get creative. And that's why I jumped on the 10 cards 1 kit bandwagon so I could be as creative as I wanted to. So it looks like the colors in this are absolutely gorgeous. Looks like it may be fresh fig, lemon lime twist possibly. We'll see. Oh, brads? What? When's the last time someone crafted with brads? I love brads, but it's been forever. So you get a set of, these look like bronze brads. You get some fresh fig ribbon. You get some pearls. You get some white twine. Looks like we've got some card front or layers. This is really pretty. These look like envelopes. Yeah. Like seed packets. Oh, that's really cute. You get card bases. You get 4 crumb cake. And then 4 of the fresh fig. Get some, these are die cuts. Oh, and it tells you what it's for. Card 1, card 2. There's a lot of good stuff in this kit. This is gonna be fun. You get some stickers. This is just one sheet. Oh, look at all the dimensionals. And they went back to the regular dimensionals because normally they are a bit thicker. You get glue dots and then you get 2 laser cut labels. Those are really pretty. So here you can see what the cards are supposed to look like if you want to do it the way they have it done. They're actually really pretty. Not necessarily my style, but they're really pretty. Oh, the brads are to make closures for the envelopes. Really fun. So again, this shows you everything, how to make it, how to do what to do. Crumb cake, early espresso, flirty flamingo, fresh fig, powder pink, and soft suede. Well, what's the green? I didn't tell us what the green is. That's all right. Okay, guys, so I will see you tomorrow for the first 5 cards in my 10 cards, 1 kit. So thank you so much for watching. As I mentioned, if you want to sign up for Paper Pumpkin, that will be down in the description box below, as well as links to all my other social media, etc. Before I forget, you're not going to see my face this week because it takes me a full day to film these Paper Pumpkin cards, and that would look just weird because I speed them up and then I do a voiceover. But you'll be seeing my face again real soon. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.